Shad big rotted house here.
Site building over here, so a new phase.
Welcome YouTube and welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be doing a community tour. Initially we went to look at two properties. The very first community that you're about to see, and we end up linking one of our co-workers because his community was very close and he cared about the place. Because our intention was basically like, you know, we're here, we do not know a lot of the communities in this area, and we do see them for sale, you know, but we don't know. So we don't know if it's a good community, we don't know if it's a safe community, we don't know nothing about it. So in care about the place, we get an idea of these housing communities, new developments, potential land for sale that was going on. We saw a lot. Yeah, we saw a lot. We videoed all of it, so you guys, if you're in the same position, when you don't know some of these areas as well, but you guys are looking for houses, looking for land for sale, you can actually see beforehand what they are. So if you see the name them, you say yes, Jacaranda. Yeah man, I know I like Jacaranda. You see this, I know I like that community. You see this, I know. That was our intention with going on this tour, and it's our hope for you guys who's about to watch the video as well. So, may I apologize again one more time for some of the footage. Some of them was taken through, you know, a wind up window. That did that, people. Same time the window did wind up, it didn't get to the heat, did never normal.
But fire.
Yeah. But most of the clips are totally fine. I just gonna say it, you know, and everybody chills. So, may I tell them from now, yeah. It is good though. But thank you so much for tuning into these videos. There's a lot to see on the other side. And let's go.
That's a Jacaranda. Where's the arcade?
Oh, it's so nice.
I mean, when I said that, this is why I thought that day, I thought, what the shit this
I know speed bump this, Bobby.
How about that? Pedestrian crossing?
That could never be a speed bump. A sleeping madman that. A sleeping police, sleeping a madman that.
I never know how long I think Whitewater Meadows did a wee back up bush.
Shad big rotted house here.
This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie came mad. Just too hard, I stand too close. Don't fuck around the ground. Off this way, doing all the shows. I've been on the road. I'm getting wide. Always got to get paid. Bad little fire. She been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie came mad. Every other night another dollar came made. Every other night started with a good day. Dropping like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'll go on another slave. I had that Jordan, not too many bitches getting saved. Tears in the present, so I took a private plane. He pussy nigga like it when I'm working on my aim. Jump too hard, charge to the car, till it's down to the ground like a balance by the name. Jump too hard, cousin on the floor, you gon' walk around the town. You gon' walk around the town. Off this way, doing all the shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, as long as I can get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. As soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the
Site building over here, so a new phase. You can't go
Same
in.
silver song?
Yeah man, the whole is a silver song. You can't drive out. So not soon you can't drive it out. Soon you can't walk it out.
We'll come up here now, what, 2020, Shadi, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm here.
2020, yeah.
We come up here.
From the...
This is one of my walking ground. Like when I exercise, so I walk on Jacaranda come. And you know you have to look on things and so I like that door them. And there's face to your right, and there's a face further back. So if you go right.
Alright, left.
No,
Alright,
go right. Go right. Bellevue Heights. Bellevue Heights and the next one name up so you have Bellevue, Green Acres across the road and Frenchman Heights. These are the back part. So if you go around, you can go all the way around.
And the land look fertile, bad. It's the corner group.
So you can't get all the way over, or
So you see, so them close this road is closed. But if you realize them gone all the way up and around. Up and around. So they actually, if you go on Google Maps and you look at it, they're actually wrapping around the hill. So actually I wrap around the hill and everything. So them people are sort of reading on the backward for it, really. You know, it's better than that. But the thing is when the water come down, my concern is the water. They have been leak here as the water going down and come down. They can see chips on the water. And a part of the ear part, because of the breeze there. Feel the difference.
Boy, I've been watching you. West Coast, West Coast, boy, I've been watching you. West Coast, West Coast, boy, I've been watching you.
Say we can afford a house and that's it. But that is to keep, you have to keep your mind. You have to keep your mind. Because if you follow everything where your public opinion has said, you go lock up in one hole and say I eat that. And then it's when you reach for me.
What tiwas na lang yan.
Luis, go to bush. You want to go to bush?
Hmm?
You want to go to bush?
In our shoes. You see him run down?
Oh, hell no.
Dia nak sama dia nak dia.
Eh?
Dia nak sama dia nak. Saya tidak tahu.
Yeah.
Palmetto pines ito ba niya? Palmetto pines. Main road na so.
Yeah.
Wala yan. Lots and lots. From 6.5.
Oh God.
Over 6.5. Now my body tell us 6.5 here. Depending on the cut of the lot. 3,000 square foot of space could I carry about. Yes sir. 3,000 as smallest one. So if you have, so I say 3,000 square foot about from right, yes sir. From boy, yes sir. Put a peg there. Yeah.
And the main road I cut this.
So look like the main road that them a cut come down the line. That's
Yeah.
So are the two sides, but this them have flooding issues over that side there. But so she have engineers that come in, we are going to rectify the flooding issue there.
Chedwin.
I would just come, we go drive. I would just take on the road of one man and say, we not stop drive because the road must end somewhere. Yeah, but sometimes what we do is Google the road and then have an idea where I drive. So it's our whole community. So the starter units, two different types. So this never there, so a year ago. It was just a simple little post together. So if you go right. And it's not a big community. But this is the starter unit. These were going for around 6 or 7 million, probably about 9 million. Probably about that. So you have to look on the affordability. Right. So $9 million that we have for, probably about 9 or 10 million. This house where you see here, so you have a person who come in and buy up the house then. And then
the money look nice.
But so, and if you notice, all have the same design.
Yeah.
So anywhere you drive through the scheme here and see the house look like that, a one man have one floor plan, then spend one money with one floor plan, just get the land them, build a house, sell them. So this, they may have probably about 9-10 million. 9-10. There should be, if somebody should buy one of them. 9-10. And you have lots, but have to find the owners where I sell. And all these houses, government design them up low income, sugar work. And it's a better design than without a grey snow. Yeah, and but the same, relatively the same concept. If you can get it, because it's there within the affordability range. You can't build upon it. You go right. So we'll go back. It's not really big cave. Basically that you cover basically for everything. To get here?
Yeah, good drainage too.
Right, and to get here is not hard because
no, but that's right from
right, that's it's Whitewater taxi. They're not big, but people add to them. I like the upkeep of the community.
Yes.
Them do everything, them do the community. What they did was form a company to manage the affairs. So you maintain them towards the management of it. There are people get to talk. Some of them are rental.
Yeah.
No, all of them are different. These are the townhouse section. Run us back from Girls. Everyone say come like hello from Miami. The rest of us just look different. Alright, so you know Bournemouth in Greater Portmore. Bournemouth I think it's right in front of Greater Portmore shopping
center. Oh yeah, them the one I found
same design.
If we could see in 2020, twice we could see it till the end. Spotlight on her face. Put that spotlight on her face. We gon' pipe up and turn up. We gon' light up and burn up. Mama too hot like what? Mama too hot like a furnace. I got 100 G's, I'ma go y'all. My diamonds gon' shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard. And your friends really wanna break us apart.
And you're walking at any hours of night. If you get up to your bed 1 o'clock in the morning, you can go walk. Any hours of night you're walking, not a soul now. You didn't see nobody else. When they call her working on the bachelor, I know you got
gotta pass, it's in the back of us. Average, I'ma make $1 million on the average.